Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Jay Whips. We're back up in the M6. Finally, so I shouldn't say finally. You know how the car had a big problem, how it was having its issues? I don't know if you're gonna notice it now. Let's see. Nah, yeah, you can't really tell right now. A couple minutes ago when I started it up, it was doing that problem, the room thing that it does. So I've had the car back. I'm sure you guys remember I had the car in the shop for like a month or whatever. I've had the car back for about a month, and the guy at the shop told me to drive it hard, and if the problem persisted, to bring it back, and the problem has persisted. It has not gone away. So I've had a couple of times where I put this car in reverse, and it just straight up, it would go, the RPMs would go rum, 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 and then it would just stop. Literally stall out, go into neutral while I was in reverse. I have to start the car again, put it back in reverse, and then move again. But I'm about to bring it. I think it might be mass airflow sensors. A lot of you guys have given me some suggestions as to what it might be. Mass airflow sensors has been the most frequent repetitive comment. So I'm gonna POV drive my way over to the Redz shop. My problem right now is it's like 30 minutes away from my house, and I'm pretty sure I'm dropping the car off, and I don't have a ride home. So I'm probably gonna have to buy an Uber. But yeah, I'm gonna POV drive the way over there, get you guys on the hat cam, and I'll see you guys on the hat cam. All right, guys, so we're on the hat cam. There's this S4 in front of us. So I got a couple things I want to talk about. I got all 4 windows open right now so you can hear everything. Make that cut, please, thank you. But a couple things I want to talk about. So recently I saw one of my guys from the Long Island Beamer group. Bro, my boy got the GoPro Hero 11. I used the GoPro Hero 10. And I don't know if you guys remember this from previous videos. That sounded really good. I don't use this thing in max settings. It has like 4K 60 FPS and like 5.3K 60 FPS or whatever the hell it is. I don't use either one of those options because this GoPro maybe lasts 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes before it either overheats or loses its battery if I use those options. But apparently, from what I understand, this GoPro 11 doesn't have that same problem. My buddy posted a nighttime POV, Super HD, and oh man, this E92 is coming up on me hot. The Audi's getting into it. What is this Audi doing? Trying to get with that E92. is kind of lost. Not lost, but I got away from him. Oh, he's coming with me again. Hell yeah. We got some good cuts with this E92. I don't even know if it's an E92, but it's that year, body style. video for you guys yet. I don't know if I've gone this crazy on video for y'all. Yeah, we're hitting the brakes hard here. Well, that was fun. Woohoo! That was good stuff, man. That was good stuff. What a way to bring the car back to the shop. Get some crazy cuts in first. That kid in the Porsche was looking at me. This traffic got really tight. Oh man, that was good stuff. That was good. I got on the highway and what, maybe 10 minutes in, I ran into a E92 or this body style 3 Series. It's not, I don't think it's an M3, but it's definitely a 3 Series. But hey man, I guess I'll cut you guys back in if it gets exciting again, because I'm in pretty much dead stop traffic now, but that was good stuff. All right, so I just got to my exit. It ended up not being much more exciting for the rest of that ride because there was a whole bunch of traffic, but I'm happy that we got a 3 Series to cut up with. And I put the car to use on that one. I don't know if y'all, for those of y'all who don't like when I use the RPMs, I was using them there. I wasn't using all of them, but I was getting damn close. It's insane. Stuff like this always happens to me, where the car is running almost perfectly fine. And it barely even gave me the problem today. And that always happens on the day I'm bringing it to the shop. So hopefully that, you know, they don't keep my car for too long. I'd like to be able to make videos as soon as possible. But yeah, like I was saying about that camera thing, I'm trying a couple different things. Right now I'm trying the auto exposure thing I wanted to tell you, where or I told you guys I wanted to try in the last video, where you kind of like start the video, you pick a bright spot and then you hold the screen and then you like auto exposure lock it or whatever, or something like that, and then that's supposed to help get away from like this brightness, because I know you guys notice in my videos I have that problem where it's too bright. It's not easy to fix, so I'm trying to figure that out, but apparently that GoPro 11 is way better for that, and they're coming out with the GoPro Hero 12 soon. Now, I don't know if you guys know, maybe it's because of that chip shortage or whatever, but maybe you guys can tell me why. When I bought this camera, this GoPro Hero 11, I bought it for $500. I'm sorry, GoPro Hero 10. I bought it for $500. At the store at the time, the GoPro Hero 11 was like $750. So I was like, screw it, I'll just get the cheaper one. It's the same, apparently, according to the internet, it's the same camera. Obviously that was a mistake, because apparently the 11 is a lot better, but somebody explained to me why the GoPro Hero 12 is like $400. I don't get it, but apparently that camera, I can get that and I should be able to put it in 5K ultra max settings and I should get plenty of time out of it. My buddy says he gets at least an hour out of it. So if I can get that, I'll have a second camera. I'll use that one for the POV camera because it'll have more, the quality will be better. And then I'll take this camera, and I bought a, it's in here, I bought a suction cup mount. I bought a suction cup mount to put on the windshield right here. That way I can hang it there, and I can either have the camera pointing towards the passenger to get like a reaction if I have someone else in the car, or just pointing towards me just to see my reaction to what you see on this camera. Yeah, so unfortunately I'm going into a shop, so it's not like I'm gonna be able to record a POV home, because I'm pretty sure I'm dropping the car off. A little two-lane action. Two-lane action. spot for a cop to hang out right there is what that was. So is that. Those are all over Long Island. Oh, I love this turn. I wish there weren't so many cars on it. Cutting up while on a turn. Cutting up on our own now. The traffic is like perfect. It's good cutting traffic. I just got to try to remember that. Going out east at around 10:30, 11 o'clock seems to be a decent time for some good traffic, where it's not too dense and it's not too light. It might be a little too light. It could be a little bit more dense, but not too much. X3M40. It's almost my exit. Yeah, I think this is my exit here. I lost traction for a second there. I did that thing again where I didn't realize I have my heat on. All right, we're almost there. We pretty much cut up the whole way here. There was a small amount of time where there was too much traffic to do anything. But other than that, we got some pretty decent footage in. Now we're going a little slower, so I'll probably keep the hat cam on for a little bit longer and just film some noises. And then when I'm done with this, I'll give you guys an update, let you know what's going on with the car in the shop, whether I'm dropping it off or if I'm driving it back home. If I'm driving it back home, you guys will get a POV footage for the ride home. If not, I will, like I said, I'll give you guys an update and then I'll probably outro it. So I appreciate you guys for watching, so see you in the next clip. Oh, look at the Supra. What? I did not think that was what I was going to see out here today. That thing was clean as hell, too. I hope you guys got that. The camera's angled down a little bit, so I don't know if it, oh, here we go. We got a bridge here. The camera's angled down a little bit, so I don't know if when I looked out the window, if you guys were able to see that or not. But super clean little Supra there. Or super clean red Supra, I should say. That's what I meant to say. But we're almost there, right down the block. I figured I'd get some noises for you while I don't have to, while I'm not going 80 on the highway. If you guys remember from my video when I first got the car back, this was the road I was on. Oh, I just scared, I don't know if, the things that I see that I hope that the camera sees sometimes, that I'm not sure if it does. The guy's dog was literally taking a shit on the sidewalk, and my intake noises scared the hell out of him. He like, whoop, he like looked real quick, like the squirrel. I need to get this thing washed real bad. I haven't gotten my car, I mean, I usually wash it in my backyard with my power washer, but I haven't washed it or gotten it washed in quite some time, and she is quite dirty. Sometimes I'll leave the car dirty and just clean the rims, because the rims will make it pop, but I haven't even been doing that lately. This thing is not a garage queen, I tell you that. It was before I owned it, but now it definitely isn't. I don't got a garage. One day. Oh. All right, well, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be how it's gonna be for the rest of the ride. So I'll cut you guys back in when I either have an update or I'm back on the POV camera. I will let you guys know. See you then. All right, so hopefully the new auto exposure trick worked. We just arrived at Redz shop. There's actually a little throwback across the street. One of my old cars that I used to drive, a little Genesis coupe. Actually, at work, as you guys know, I work at a dealership. I had a Genesis coupe white with white interior, just like my old ones show up. And I got to drive it, so that was cool. So here's the car. We're at Redz shop. I'm gonna go find out what's going on. So we got up in the shop right now. That thing over there is tough. But yeah, so I dropped the car off. We got this right here. I just noticed this. This is a 3 or 4 X4M fire. They work on Hondas too. But yeah, we just dropped the car off, posted up right here. I'm waiting for my Uber right now. Once the Uber gets here, I'm gonna pop my stuff out the car and head home. So that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was a short one. I'm gonna try to pump out new videos for you guys soon. I have a couple different plans. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna be doing a stream soon, so I'll get into that. And then yeah, man, check out the Instagram, jwit_FO6. You guys know, peep that. All right, well, that's it. Car's in the shop. I'm back home. I took an Uber home. I'm gonna be driving my other vehicle. I don't know if I've showed you guys this yet, so I'm just gonna give you a quick update on this. Bought this a little while ago. This is my truck. This is Big Blue. I'm gonna be driving Big Blue because the car's in the shop. I bought this thing for real cheap. Like, I think it was like $3,000 or $4,000. I think it was 3. And hey man, it's got like 150K miles on it. It's just something to drive when I don't have the M, just so I'm not putting miles on it all the time. But yeah, I've been kayaking, me and my buddy. If you can look, I don't know if you could see, but up in this window right here is a fishing pole. Me and my buddies have been getting kayaks together, going out and doing some largemouth bass fishing. So if you guys are interested in some video like that, let me know, and maybe I'll make a video going out and catching some bass on a kayak. But if hopefully you guys enjoyed this video so far. There was cutting up, there was the shop. I got a new sticker. I'll show you guys that eventually when I put it on. But I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
And that's just me for you. I've been moving, I've been drinking, I've been riding through the hood. I've been waving hands in one hand like my nigga was real good. I've been all about the beat, but I won't take the beat. Step to me, I wish a nigga would.